The Seesii Impact Wrench 886 is designed with remarkable torque capabilities, making it a powerful tool for both tightening and loosening tasks, perfect for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with 2 high-capacity batteries, this impact wrench ensures prolonged usage with minimal downtime, allowing you to work efficiently throughout the day. Its lightweight and ergonomic design significantly reduces user fatigue, making it comfortable to use over extended periods, while its compact size enhances maneuverability. Constructed with durable materials, the Seesii Impact Wrench 886 offers exceptional impact resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability even in the toughest job site conditions. The intelligent protection system incorporated in this tool prevents common electrical issues, safeguarding both the user and the device during prolonged use. With convenient features like variable speed control and an ultra-bright LED work light, this impact wrench is engineered to optimize performance and efficiency in various work environments.